In this video, I'll show you how to get paid per click, which is a new strategy to make PayPal money online for free this 2022. How to do it? We're about to find out. This is how to get paid per click. Welcome to Dr. Profit, where we prescribe you with ways of earning money online. If you like this type of content, consider giving us a like, commenting down below, and subscribing to the channel. We regularly release new ways of making a profit, so it's a good idea to ring that bell icon to be notified each time we upload a new video. Alright, let's get back into the video. So for this strategy, you'll need three things. Number one, you'll need a laptop or a computer, tablet, or a smartphone. Number two, you'll need internet connection. And number three, you'll need to know how to click. If you have those three, great, you can make this work. So first and foremost, let me show you that the strategy works worldwide. As you can see here, everyone can join. Anyone from anywhere can join this program and start earning money within minutes. And the best part is that you don't have to sell anything. You literally just need to click. Nothing more, nothing less. So this is basically one of the easiest ways to make money online on complete autopilot. So it can be passive income stream for you. Now, here's the concept. You and I, with other 3 billion people around the world, have been using Google as our default or main browser. All this time, we're using Google to search something on the internet and to surf the web. But for this strategy, instead of using Google, we'll be using EntireWeb.com. This website is also a free search engine just like Google, but the main difference between Google and EntireWeb is that the latter will actually pay you for each click. To be precise, it'll actually pay you 20 cents per click that you get, or equivalent to $4 for 20 clicks. Now, the reason why they're paying you is because since Google is a massive competitor, they want to attract more people to use their search engine over Google. They're paying you 20 cents per click because Google doesn't. Obviously, since both of these search engines are free, most people would rather opt in to use EntireWeb, so you need to jump on this as soon as possible and take advantage of the second website, which I'm about to show you in a minute. Now all you need to do is go over to EntireWeb.com. Once you're here, you have to click this menu button at the top right corner. That's going to give you all of these categories like Home, Services, Free Submission, SEO, Ad Market, Affiliate, Directory, Advertise, and so on and so forth. Now we're only going to be focusing on one category, and that's Affiliate, so just click it. You're getting paid 20 cents per click that you get, so you can get other people that are regularly using Google to start using EntireWeb.com instead. And if they use your link, you'll make 20 cents for each click that you get, which is just amazing. As I said, there are over 3 billion people who are using Google on a daily basis, so there's a massive potential even if you just refer 100 people to this website. That's still going to be a huge passive income for you. As you can see, you'll get paid for every click, they will pay you for all clicks you generate, and you can earn up to 20 cents per visitor, which is really cool. The best part is you have a high conversion rate because it's free and simple. They just need to surf the web using EntireWeb as they normally do. Anyone from anywhere in the world can join, and it's really easy to start. Within minutes from signing up, you'll be up and running. Okay, so you'll see exactly how it works and how the dashboard would look like, and you'll see exactly how you can withdraw your money. So for now, let me show you another great thing. This is how you'll get paid. You'll be paid through PayPal. And the minimum payout value is $50, which may seem like a lot, but you can actually easily earn $50 with this website and instantly cash out and spend that money on whatever you like. So to continue, once you come over to this page, you need to click Create Account right here so you can sign up for free. Now, you just need to fill out some details about yourself. You need to enter your first name and last name. You'll choose your own tracking ID, like for example, you can type in some words or phrases that you like. Let's say for instance, my YouTube channel is Dr. Profit, so my tracking ID will be Dr. Profit. And then just enter your email address for your account. Once you do that, you need to enter additional information about yourself. After that, just fill out their payout methods, however you want to get paid. The best thing is that PayPal is not the only payment option that they have, but for simplicity, just enter your PayPal email address, and they will pay you as soon as you hit the payout threshold. Lastly, you need to read their terms and conditions, and that is it. Registration process should take no longer than 60 seconds. With that, you'll start making money for each click that you generate. Now, once you log in to your account, this is what your dashboard would look like. Here are all of your campaigns. When you click Home right here on the left-hand side, you can actually track your clicks and track the amount of money you've made. As you can see, this is a brand new account. It's obviously going to show 0 clicks and $0, but once we start getting clicks, these will change and it will start receiving money, which we can then withdraw by clicking on My Profile button right here on the left-hand side. We can request a withdrawal as soon as we have reached the payout threshold. So what you need to do in order to start receiving those clicks is you first need to grab your affiliate link right here on top. This is your special link, so you need to copy this because whenever someone goes to this link, you'll get paid 20 cents per click. So you're just referring people to entire web where they can surf the web as they normally do with Google. Once you copy your affiliate link, you can then start sharing it with other people so you can generate those clicks and start making money. Now, sure, you can share your link on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, and other social media platforms. Share it with your friends and family. That's definitely gonna get you some clicks, and that's definitely gonna make you some money. However, if you actually want to set this up in complete autopilot, where you have a potential to reach millions of clicks, then you need to use this strategy which I'm about to share with you. Before we go any deeper, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up if you've loved the video thus far. And if you found this video interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say, and it's now time to get back to work and earn some money. So first of all, you need to open up Google Docs and open up a blank document. Here you can write something briefly and create a call to action for your special link that takes people to entireweb.com. So just write something briefly. For example, I've typed in better than Google, try this new and free search engine called Entire Web. Okay, so I've pasted my affiliate link right here. It's really important that you leave your affiliate link so people can click on it. And I put something like this. Try it in seconds and let me know if it's really better than Google or not. So put phrases like it's new or absolutely free. In that way, it's gonna attract more people because they will know right away that they don't need to buy something. They don't need to spend any money. They can just try this out for free and it takes them only seconds, so they won't have to wait for minutes or hours. They can do it quickly and see if it's better than Google or not. And now for each click that you get, you'll get paid 20 cents over and over again. Obviously, this is just one of the options. Of course, you can come up with your own call to action and with your own article, with your own script, and that might work even better. Now, once you're done writing your article, just click on the file button right here on top and click on download, and then select PDF document so you can save it to your computer. With that PDF document, you need to go over to this website which we'll be using called slideshare.net. According to SimilarWeb, slideshare.net is being visited regularly by over 140 million people from all over the world on a monthly basis. So you have a potential to reach over 140 million people with SlideShare. The best part is that it's all absolutely free to share whatever article you have. You'll be sharing your Google Docs article that includes your entire web affiliate link, and that way you can get those clicks in complete autopilot. People that share articles on this website are getting millions of views. As you can see here, over 3.5 million views, over 1 million views, over 700,000 views, and so on and so forth. To sign up, click on the sign up button right here on top. Sign up process takes no longer than 60 seconds. Once you sign in, just click on the upload button right here. Next, click select files to upload, and then select your PDF document, wait until it loads, and then give it a title. So for example, I will type in this is better than Google, or I will type in free, and then I will put a brief description below. Also in the description, you can have your affiliate link. In that way, you have a higher chance of getting more clicks. Next, choose the category right here from the list and select the privacy to be public so everyone can see it. You can also give it different tags. The more tags you put, the more people you'll attract. And after that, just click publish. And that's it. Now you have the potential to reach over 140 million people with this article so they can see and try entire web for themselves. On the other hand, you'll get paid 20 cents per click that you generate, or equivalent to $4 for 20 clicks, or $20 for 100 clicks, or $200 for 1,000 clicks, which are entirely passive income that you can earn for absolutely free with this website. To make $1,000, you literally just need 5,000 clicks, which are actually attainable since all they have to do is click on your link and use the free search engine just like they normally do with Google. So take advantage of this strategy and start making money as soon as possible because in my opinion, this is one of the easiest ways to start making money and the best way to set up a passive income stream online. That's it for today. Thank you for watching Dr. Profit, the channel where we prescribe you with ways of earning money online in order to make a profit. Try the method we showed you today and tell us about what types of content you'd like us to cover next in the comment section below. And with that said, We'll see you guys next time.